Mario Bros. Kitty Quiz is back! Today, we'll show you snakes, duck, and shark versions of Super Mario characters and lots of surprises, including spectacular hybrid versions of animal and vehicle, like among other special rounds. First section, let's check out Snake's version of Mario Bros. Characters! Mario and how he looks as snakes! Princess Peach and how she looks as snakes! Rosalina and how she looks as snakes! Luigi and how he looks as snakes! Bowser and how he looks as snakes! Waluigi and how he looks as snakes! Daisy and how she looks as snakes! Donkey Kong and how he looks as snakes! Now, we're gonna show you special hybrid between snake and a train. Please subscribe to our channel if you love that train. Cranky Kong and how he looks as snakes. Toad and how he looks as snakes. Kamek and how he looks as snakes. Penguin King and how he looks as snakes. Pauline and how she looks as snakes. Yoshi and how he looks as snakes. Koopa Troopa and how he looks as snakes. Wario and how he looks as snakes. Have you ever imagined about this combination? Wait for the result! Pretty, right? Can we get a subscribe from you for that, please? Next section, we're gonna go through duck version of Mario Bros. Characters. Mario and how he looks as duck. Princess Peach and how she looks as duck. Rosalina and how she looks as duck. Luigi and how he looks as duck. Bowser and how he looks as duck. Waluigi and how he looks as duck. Daisy and how she looks as duck. Donkey Kong and how he looks as duck. Here come the next special gift. Can you imagine that? So cute! If you find it interesting, give us a subscribe. Cranky Kong and how he looks as duck. Toad and how he looks as duck. Kamek and how he looks as duck. Penguin King and how he looks as duck. Pauline and how she looks as duck. Yoshi and how he looks as duck. Koopa Troopa and how he looks as duck. Wario and how he looks as duck. Now try to think how this combination would look like. So funny, right? Click the subscribe button to show us your love. Next section, we're gonna go through shark version of Mario Bros characters. Mario and how he looks as shark. Princess Peach and how she looks as shark. Rosalina and how she looks as shark.
Let's go!
Luigi and how he looks as shark. Bowser and how he looks as shark.
Together, forever. Will you marry me?
Waluigi and how he looks as shark.
Here we go!
Daisy and how she looks as shark.
Coming through!
Donkey Kong and how he looks as shark. This submarine gonna be very powerful. Wait for it. Can you believe in your eyes? Subscribe to the channel to see the next exciting show in the future. Cranky Kong and how he looks as shark.
Fight to last more than 5 seconds. I put power-ups around.
Toad and how he looks as shark.
Yes, she would! I guarantee she would!
Guys!
Yes, she would!
Kamek and how he looks as shark.
Will you marry me?
Penguin King and how he looks as shark. Pauline and how she looks as shark. Yoshi and how he looks as shark. Koopa Troopa and how he looks as shark.
Oh, what if she says no? Oh, what if she says no?
Wario and how he looks as shark. Final special gift. We're gonna bring you a Shark Tank real-life action. What do you think about this tank? Let us know in the comment. Next section for you guys. Mario characters and their favorite movies. Next section for you guys. Mario characters and their favorite TV series. That you guys have had exciting moment through the challenge. You can pick your next challenges right below. And if you find our quiz interesting, please like and subscribe to Kitty Quiz so that we'll be really motivated to creating more funny quiz show for you guys. Bye bye and see you soon.